Ooh, boy, this cold out here, guys. And hello, Jason with Greencatcher Agroforestry here. Today I'm outside, and inexplicably I've chosen to come out dressed in, well, as you see, a sweatshirt. I've got sweatpants on. I've got house slippers, and and I got to do some work I should have done yesterday when we had temperatures in the 50s. Because right now we're in the teens and it's going down to single digits, and it's not coming back for a couple of days. That means that we got to take precautions to make sure that things like our water doesn't freeze over. So I'll show you how we do that. And there's our ducks enjoying some fresh greenery out there where our winter wheat is planted. We give them regular duck feed too. They nibble on it a bit, but right now they're really just enjoying the fresh green stuff. No, I said they don't eat wheat, and that's true. During the spring and the summer, the grass is thick and it's tough, and they don't want to nibble on that. But right now it's tender, and it's about the only green thing that they can get their bills around. But now I got to take precautions to make sure that the water running to our house, we have city water running to our house in addition to the well. Now the well is okay. I've opened up the foot valve, we've drained it, it's not going to freeze. But the water line from the city coming to the house, that might freeze with temperatures in the teens and dropping down to the single digits. Oh my gosh, my hands are cold. They're dropping down to the single digits right now, and I have to put on gloves or something because I cannot be outside with my hands. They're going to freeze. This device right here is called a water shutoff key. It's used to turn the water off at the street if you happen to have water coming from some sort of a municipality, right? Like we do here, we have water coming from the city. We have a well as well. But in order to shut off the water from the city, we have to use this device right here. So here we are at the street. This is our meter cover. We just pick that up and we look down inside. We're going to see the meter right here. Boy. There it is, and that back behind the meter is going to be our shutoff. Let's see if we look down inside there. There we go. There's the meter. There's the meter. It has a cover so they can read it. I'm going to put this here for right now, so I can have access to that. That's the shutoff. You see the two little holes there. There's one up there and one down there. That's so when those holes match up, you can put a padlock through that, and some jerk that doesn't want to pay for their water can't get there without cutting the padlock off. Of course, you can always cut a padlock off, but that would be stealing, and stealing is wrong. All right, so we take our key, we put it down here at the tab right there, so it covers that little, see that little notch, kind of like a screwdriver. How you have a flat pointed screwdriver, just in reverse. This has got the nub, and then we just put the slot around it like that. Okay, so just put it right there, and then we're going to apply a little rotational tension clockwise. Ooh, and turn it. I'm doing this one-handed because I have to hold the camera with the other hand. Pardon me, guys. Boy, use the weight of my shoulder to apply a little tension. There we go. And then we just keep on turning. Oop. Hopefully don't bang the camera whenever it slips off the nub there. I'm going to turn that until, the points match. There we go. Now whenever your two holes match up, your water is turned off, and you will not have any freezing of the pipes going to your house. Of course, we're going to have to drain them, but we'll go ahead and do that now. Drain the pipes, and we will not have an accident where our pipes burst due to the freezing conditions here in Oklahoma today. Well, all right, good people, that's our PSA for today. I'm going to get myself back inside next to that wood stove and warm myself back up. Guys, if you've got water that is going to be exposed to temperatures in the teens or the single digits, if you don't have one of these, get out there, grab yourself one as quick as possible. You can use a couple of crescent wrenches nested together to do it. It just takes more time, more effort, and you've got to be on your hands and knees next to that meter, which can be kind of nasty depending upon where you live. That's all I've got for you today. As always, I hope you found today's video informative, maybe entertaining. If you did, you know what to do. I'll catch you next time. Until then, get out there and get, well, whenever it warms up, you can get growing.